Well, hello. Well, today I am just going to be doing just a basic wash. The winter's pretty much over. We're getting some nice weather out here. So now I'm going to go ahead and usually what I do is right before the season. So right before the winter, I usually wash and wax or seal the car. And then right after the winter, I give it a good wash to get all the salt off of it. So now I've actually just washed it, dried, patted it down, dried it down. I use a blow dryer, an electric leaf blower, in order to blow all the water off, to get in all the cracks and all that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to I just bought F11, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So today we're just going to be applying F11. I usually wait till the sun goes down. I'm losing light quickly, but that way I don't get stains when the water, dries on the car and the vehicle. So there's a couple little things where I'm going to be doing also. There's a couple of, this stuff should come out with rubbing compound, these little marks, and here and there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be working on those. And little scratches I'll work out with an orbital, with a dual action, orbital buffer or dual action buffer. So I'll be doing that at some other point. But for now, it's just a basic wash. And I'm going to be trying out the F11. It's kind of expensive. It was like $50 for a large bottle, but I'm going to be trying it out and see how it works and how it performs. All right, so this is your F11 TopCoat, and that's what I'm going to be testing out. And make sure I always remove these little tag things from your towels, because I think they'll end up scratching the car. So now for this, you're supposed to just buff on, just spray on the car and buff it in. Now, instantly, you can definitely tell there's a shine to it. It's definitely doing something right away. But I'm really just more interested in how long it lasts, not just, an instant. There's so many detail sprays, but I want something that's going to offer a little bit of protection. So this says formulated to enhance and improve and protect denim and matte finishes. Prove easy to use with professional results. And directions: apply to clean surface out of the sun, spray onto surface, coat with hand buffing, blah blah blah. Alright, so it's telling me to polish it with I'm just flipping sides. Thank you. No. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've done the entire car, buffed up pretty well. I'm going to end up doing the wheels last. I'm going to try this on there too. Get some of that water off of it first. Just touching stuff, I already hit this. Alright, so I'm all done today. Finished with the F11. Ended up polishing the wheels. This was with F11. In the back ones I used actual wheel polish. So this is what it looks like in the sun. Well, not in the direct sun, but outside. It's pretty mirror finish. This truck has always been garage kept, so these have been polished. I'll show the interior. I ended up detailing the interior also. The seats. There's the back. No tears in the leather, and the rear seats, which are pretty comfortable for 3 people. Seating for 6 in the back, and then 2 in the front. Alright, so that's all there is for my video for today. The F11 is held up pretty well, after this video. It's, you can respray and clean down, or just wipe down, kind of like a detail spray. So I've been pretty happy with it. I just want to thank everybody. Please subscribe, like, and share.